Season's greetings, mission team. We have an extra urgent mission for you. Krungle, a shoe elf, is mad at Santa because he applied to be a toy elf and didn't get the job. To get back at Santa, he took Santa's reindeer and released them into Holiday Forest. The reindeer are now lost and need our help. Your mission, should you choose to accept it, is to help us find the reindeer and bring them back to Santa so they can deliver presents in time for the holidays. First, we'll need to head to Toyland so we can get an easy bake oven. Then, we'll head to Sylvan Glen so we can give the easy bake oven to the Keebler elves in exchange for some cookies. Finally, we'll bring the cookies to Holiday Forest. You may not have heard, but reindeer love cookies even more than Santa. So we'll use the cookies to lure the reindeer out of the forest and bring them back to the North Pole so they can reunite with Santa in time for the holidays.
Beware, during your mission, you'll encounter many obstacles along your path. The toy elves are busy in Toyland building toys, and there's toys everywhere. If you see a toy airplane, you duck. If you see a bouncy ball, you punch. If you see a skateboard, you jump. If you see a jack-in-the-box, you kick. And if you see giant stuffies, you dodge. Also, Jack Frost is bringing winter weather everywhere, so if you see Jack Frost, you take cover.
Remember to hurry so we can get the reindeer back to Santa before it's too late. Good luck.
Hey, come play with me.
Hey, how about a hug?
Hey, come play with me. Hey, come play with me.
Hey, how about a hug?
Hey, come play with me.
Hey, how about a hug? Hey, how about a hug?
Hey, come play with me. Hey, come play with me.
Hey, how about a hug? Hey, how about a hug?
Good job, team. We got the easy bake oven. Now, let's head to Sylvan Glen so we could trade the oven with the Keebler elves for some cookies.
In Sylvan Glen, the Keebler elves are baking up a storm. If you see elves transporting cookies on sleds, you dodge. If you see rolling pins, you jump. Also, the elves are a little bit clumsy, so you might see some flour falling from the sky. If you see that, you should weave. Also, if you see butterfly,
Butterflies?
no, butterflying, you
Oh.
duck. And if you see eggs, punch them out of the way.
oven. Hooray! We'll gladly give you some cookies for it. Toodaloo. Amazing work, mission team! We got the cookies. Now let's head to Holiday Forest so we can find the reindeer.
We've been informed that Krungle knows we're coming, so he has set up many obstacles to try and stop us from getting to the reindeer. So if you see any wreaths, you duck. If you see any hypnotized snow people, you dodge. If you see strings of light, you jump. If you see ornaments falling from the sky, you weave. And if you see any snowballs, you punch them out of the way.
Stop! Get back here! Stop! Get back here! Where do you think you're going? Stop! Get back here! Where do you think you're going? Stop! Get back here! Where do you think you're going? Where do you think you're going? Stop! Get back here! Congratulations, team! We got the reindeer. Now let's bring him home to Santa.
Thank you, Britt and Shawn. I'll make sure you're on the nice list this year. But I do have to say, it was a close one, Shawn.